How to update SIN number and CRA account. Now in this video, I'll provide you specific informations on updating your SIN number using your CRA account. So everybody knows that everything can be processed online. So all you have to do is to go into Canada.ca's official website, which is going to be the Government of Canada's site, which is this one right here. Now, if you're having problems on finding that specific feature of updating your SI number. So all you have to do is to rechange the search box. Type in update SIN number, and then choose on the same link but on a different field. Then here under sections, you should be able to see all the information that you need. Now just simply scroll down, and then what you need to do first is to know all the documents you need to apply to update your SIN number. Now choose on the specific option right here if you're applying it for yourself, if you're a parent or legal guardian applying on behalf of a minor or dependent adult child, or and so on and so forth. Choose on a specific option here that suits you or that you prefer, and then on the second tab, select status where you're living in Canada, and then once you have choose on necessary informations here on every part of these details, click this option here to apply online so that you can submit your requirements. And that is how you update SIN number and CRA account.